Hi, I'm Nico. In this video, I'm going to talk about why we see so many insects flying around streetlights at night. At first sight, it seems like the insects are attracted to the streetlights, but an observation suggested that this is not actually the case. Rather, they're simply disturbed by the light and are unable to fly away. Let me explain how exactly this happens. Some insects have a reflex called dorsal light response. This reflex makes them turn their backs to the light all the time. This is thought to have evolved as a shortcut for them to know which way is up and which way is down, so that they can keep their bodies facing the right direction. The key here is that this dorsal light response relies on the assumption that the brightest thing in the visual field is always the sky. Before we humans invented streetlights, the sun was the brightest thing during the day and the moon and the stars were the brightest things during the night, so this assumption used to hold. As long as the insect's back was facing the brightest direction, they could be certain that their body was upright. Because of this reflex, when an insect happens to fly over a streetlight, it will turn its body upside down and fall. When it approaches the light from the sides, it will turn its back to the light and start circling around the light. As the result, the insect will be trapped by the streetlight, unable to move. This accumulation of these trapped insects makes it seem to us like they have been attracted to the light. It really surprised me to learn that insects aren't actually attracted to lights. At the same time, learning about this reminded me that things aren't always as they seem.